Hey, it's the White Cliff Jr. here, one half of Cliff and Cliff. Today I'm going to talk about this watch I just got. So the down and dirty is, here it is. Side note, I just got this in the mail not too long ago. Senior had, when I got home, the package was already ripped off. Senior had got to it before I did, but as soon as he opened up, he knew he didn't order anything. So he knew it was mine, and so he backed off of it. But I got it here with me now. And so, yeah, here's down and dirty on it though. I've been looking for a watch for the longest, man, that can go straight from the work site to date night, or straight from work site to fishing or to the beach. I love to fish. I love to go down to Florida. I love to do all these amazing things. And so I need something that can keep pace with me, you know. I either have the watch for work or even having a watch for the weekend, and I want one for both. And that's exactly what I think I got here. And also, one of my biggest pain points is I hate watches that the battery only lasts for 2 or 3 months, half a year, then you're out there replacing the battery. It's just something to worry about, you know, not something to worry about, something to think about, something that's on your mind. And so, yeah, here's what I got though. I got this, I think this is gonna do the trick. Got this Nixon watch. It says it has a 5-year battery on it, 100-meter case, water-resistant pushers, adjustable LED, dual chronograph. And so, yeah, it came in this nice package, this nice tin can. Similar to, I've bought watches before, and it's similar, like similar, same style, you know. Ooh, I ain't gonna open it up yet. I'll save that here for a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this camera around and see what we're working with. Today I got the Nixon Regulus watch here with me. Yeah, so let's get right into it. It comes in this nice aluminum case. Comes in this nice aluminum case, got your extra padding and whatnot into it. So it got here nice and safe. Dwight Senior actually got and opened this box before I got to it, so I don't think there's anything missing from it, but it is what it is. Yeah, so I ended up getting this watch for $150 on the Nixon website. It was shipping plus taxes and shipping. It ultimately came up to like $160, $165. I can't remember the exact total, but that's roughly what it was about. The watch listed for $150 though. I ended up getting this gunmetal gray or gray color, and I really like it. But right now I think it's sold out at the current moment. It's mid-July 2020, and it is sold out. But they had many different colors I would have bought if they didn't have this one. They had a nice I think green color and a nice black color. In fact, this watch does well and performs well. I'm definitely gonna get another color, the black, just because that's one of my favorite colors. I'm more of a neutral guy. I buy things more for its function, not form. But it doesn't hurt when things look good as well, you know? So, yeah. But it came in a nice packaging. But yeah, let's go ahead and open her up and see what we got. Try and get this tail off. It's kind of locked in. Hopefully it ain't, okay. Oh, it just slides right on off after a little pull here or there. The locking looper. So that's what that is there. The locking looper. Nixon got this little button here that slides up under this loop that keeps the tail down, and it locks in so it doesn't move. That's a very nice feature. Very nice feature, because you know you get those things and they fly up every now and then. Yeah. But ultimately, nice, very nice feel. Good job, Nixon. Getting it right. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside over here. Ooh, the Regulus. Nixon the Regulus. Got this nice sleek design. It got a little weight to it, which I actually prefer. It doesn't make it feel like a toy at all. You know, it feels like it's built for work. I'm not sure if that's plastic or metal at the top there, but it feels nice regardless. When you turn it over, I can see that it was built with these ridges inside. And so I think it, provides some airflow, so, your wrist can get pretty hot if you're working out in the heat or just moving, doing activities. I play basketball, I do a lot of jogging and running. And so I plan on using it for that for sure. It's going to be put to its paces. I'm actually going to Vegas next month. And so I'm going to ATV trip, I'm going kayaking, I'm going swimming. I'm doing so many different things, and this watch is going to get put through its paces pretty quick. And so I'm going to do another video from Vegas once I get down there, just doing different things. And make sure I'm going to include this watch as well. So in that review, on my next review of this watch, I'll probably do a 30-day review on this watch, just to give you my pros and cons on it. But right now it feels nice. This plastic feels nice. Hopefully it doesn't get too dirty, because I work in dust all the time. And so hopefully it just comes clean with a little water, and yeah. And so they got 2 buttons here. I don't know if you can see that. They got 2 buttons there. They got 2 buttons, light mode. And I also got 2 buttons here on the side with no writing on them. And I'm sure they just help set the watch or help set a timer to get it going. So I've yet to set this watch up for my time zone and what I need it for, but I'm going to do that very soon. Actually, I'm going to do my next video will probably be over how to set this watch up. And so right now it gets my good graces, the Cliff seal of approval at this point. Put it on my wrist to see how it feels. Oh yeah, it already feels nice. I like these kind of watches. They got some weight to them. They feel a lot tougher than what they are, but it's all good. But yeah, I like it. No movement, no. You know how you used to wear those shoes, and you used to go try on shoes at the store, and your parents would make you run up and down the aisles to see if they would be good fits. That's what that kind of reminds me of. So, but yeah, ultimately good watch there. So yeah, if you like this video, you want to get this watch. Actually, if you want to get this watch, I'm going to leave my the discount code for this watch, my discount code for this watch in the description of this video. Also, if you like our videos, you like my videos, even if you don't like this video, subscribe, leave a comment. What color would you get? Let me know what you think about this watch. If you had it before, leave a comment. Let me know. Give me a tip or trick or two if you got more information on what I do. I'm always happy to learn more things, more new things. But yeah, use my discount code in the bottom if you plan on buying this watch. Right now, it's getting my seal of approval. I'm going to put it through its paces. I'll do a 30-day review, give my pros and cons after 30 days of the Regulus watch. And so, Dwight Cliff here with Cliff and Cliff. Like, subscribe, hit that bell to get a notification when we drop a new video. Yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day.